In this video tutorial, I will show you how to add music to video in Clipchamp. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving the video a thumbs up. There are several ways to incorporate music into your video. On the timeline at the bottom of the screen, you'll find an option to add audio. Clicking here leads to a page with a variety of templates and a rich selection of stock music, along with numerous sound effects. These are all copyright-free, so you can listen and drag your choice directly onto the timeline. Once added, you have the flexibility to adjust it by adding fade-in, fade-out effects, and more. But what if you want to use custom music or a voiceover from your computer? The process is simple. Go to the Media folder located in the left side menu and select Import Media. This will take you to a page where you can choose the file you want to add, for instance, a file named Music. Click Enter to upload it to your Media folder. From there, it's easy to add it to your timeline and position it as needed. You can further interact with your music using the right side menu. Here, you can manage audio volume, alter the speed, and add fade effects. Remember, Clipchamp offers a vast library of free music and sound effects, accessible through the audio search feature. If this tutorial was helpful, please like and share.